Hi everyone, hi my followers, hi my friends, and hi to everyone who likes and subscribes my channel. So now, today our topic will be on global warming. Now, global warming is the average increase in Earth's temperature. Changes to our climate has been discovered to be caused by what we call global warming. Now, this global warming we talk about are of two kinds. They are from the natural causes and they are from the human activities. The natural causes, like volcanic eruptions and fires, keep the earth warm, but the ones from human activities is the main cause of the increase of global warming. The use of fossil fuels release gases to the atmosphere which keep the earth warm. Now, did you know that fossil fuels are fuels that form when organic materials are buried under pressure for years? Now we go to greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are found in the ozone layer. They are sometimes known as heat trapping gases. Now, examples of greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, and fluorinated gases. Greenhouse gases are natural and they can also be man made. Let's go further. I hope you're enjoying my class. Thank you very much. Earth is like a plastic. The plastic on the greenhouse traps heat, causing the temperature to increase. Since these gases act like a blanket on Earth, without them, the Earth would be so cold and no one will be able to live in it. Now, causes of greenhouse gases are number one, when we burn fossil fuels and other harmful chemicals, greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere. Cars, trains, ships, waste dumping, oil irrigation are also contributing to global warming. Hope you enjoyed my class today. Thank you for watching. Bye.